You only need 9 minutes to eradicate your ants, your automated negative thoughts, to boost your energy, to step into your purpose, and become more productive. How? By hacking your morning routine like Michelle Obama, Tony Robbins, Oprah Winfrey, Warren Buffett, and Kylie Jenner does every single day. They wake up at the same time every morning to repeat the same set of habits. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Michelle Obama wakes up every morning at 4:30 a.m. to exercise, Warren Buffett to read, Oprah Winfrey to write in her gratitude journal, Tony Robbins and Kylie Jenner to meditate. What's the first thing you did when you woke up this morning? Many of us hit snooze 25 times, followed by 15 minutes of lying in bed, scrolling through social media. What if you woke up and worked on yourself for 9 minutes each day? How would the quality of your day, your life, improve? Together, we'll build your morning routine to jumpstart your day. Your first tiny action? Hydrate the minute you wake up. Here's the secret. Put a glass of water on your nightstand the night before. You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight. HitSavers app. 9 actionable items done in 9 minutes to hack your morning.
Hello, morning enthusiasts. Welcome to the Best Morning Routine Ever podcast. I am your host, Lunid Lewis. Today, I have great news. I am here in this bonus episode to introduce the HitSavers app for your best morning routine ever. So exciting. What have I done? I have been chatting with some amazing entrepreneurs, collecting data on their morning habits, and these entrepreneurial habits are proven to improve health, more productivity, and increase mental clarity. So it's only right that I compile these reoccurring, actionable habits and share them with you so you can have access to them. That's right. HitSavers app is scheduled to launch April 1st, 2020. Let me ask you, did you know doctors and psychologists have found out that what you do in the first 8 to 10 minutes in the morning sets the tone for the rest of your day? So I have to ask, how do you spend the first 10 minutes of your day? You see, most people spend it hitting snooze, grunting, and rolling over to get dressed and rushing out the door. What if that time was spent making yourself a better person? What if you woke up 10 minutes before you needed to each day and worked on yourself? What if you meditated instead of scrolling through social media? What if you decided to work out for 5 minutes to get your heart rate up instead of downing that cup of coffee to wake you up? What if you took a cold shower to give you more of that alert feeling? How would the quality of your day, your life improve? Well, morning enthusiasts, look no further because the HitSavers app is 9 actionable items done in 9 minutes to improve the quality of your day. So here we go. Each acronym stands for habit. The first one is H, which stands for hydration. Hydrating first thing in the morning. The I stands for I am grateful journal, where you get to list out 3 things you are grateful for. T stands for time's up, make your bed. S is for silence. That is intentional silence and meditation. A is for affirmation, speaking I am affirmations to rid of the ant that we talk about a lot on the show, automated negative thoughts. The affirmation is there to reframe the mind. V is visioneering. It's visualizing with a twist, and we'll talk about that later. E, exercising, getting the heart rate up to give you energy throughout the day. R is for read, where you read to stimulate the mind to learn and to grow. And then S, the last one, is for shower, making the last 60 seconds of your shower ice cold to boost up your immune system, burn fat, increase metabolism, and of course, give you that boost of alertness. In each of the bonus episodes before launch day, I will break down a different habit for you. And today we will start with H, hydration. So why is it important to drink a glass of water first thing in the morning? Well, you see, our brain is 73% water, and drinking it helps in a number of ways, including improving concentration and cognition, helping to balance your mood and emotions. It helps to maintaining memory function as well. You see, what happens is when we are sleeping from 6 to 8 hours, we are at a fasted state, which means we're not eating, we're not drinking, and so the body is prone to dehydration. That's why in the morning it's crucial that you rehydrate with a glass of water. I like to add a pinch of Himalayan salt in it. I call it the morning cocktail. Pinch of Himalayan salt. I put it there, set it the night before, and I drink that in the morning because it's rich in minerals, rich in magnesium, which helps with mood balance. So everyone who has like mood swings, like I used to, Himalayan salt has been crucial in stabilizing my emotions and my moods. But also it aids in flushing out toxins out of the body. It also increases energy level. It jumpstarts your metabolism, which will aid in weight loss. It is pertinent to add water into your routine. And that's why the HitSavers app, it starts out with H, which is hydration, to get the ball rolling, because it's the beginning of a transformation that you will not regret partaking in. And believe it or not, my friend, habits are forming without your permission. So if you want to be cognizant, if you want to step in and be in control here, try to start your morning routine the night before. That way you don't give the brain, the mind, any excuse to not perform that morning, to not start drinking that water, and to follow up with the rest of the habits that we will cover in the app. So that is it for today's episode. It's really short and sweet. I'm just telling you, this app is coming out. It's launching. I am looking for those who want to take their life to the next level. If that's you, go on my website, www.luneedlewis.com. From there, you will get a copy of my free book called First Things First, Hydrate. The power of a habit can control your destiny. So you can get started in reading about the benefit of hydrating so that when the app comes out, you are ready and geared and frame your mind for success. Next bonus episode, I will cover the letter I, which stands for the I Am Grateful Journal. Until then, my friend, I will see you at the top of your best morning routine ever. Love ya. Stay blessed.